Welcome to Cozy How To, your place for a snuggly warm learning experience. This is lesson number 7 for PowerPoint 2010, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to create a custom placeholder text box with custom prompt text. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do is click on the View tab, and once you click on that, you'll see a few different categories. In this case, I first want to talk about the Presentation View category. In that category, you'll notice that by default it's set to the normal view. But we want to go into Master View and then click on Slide Master. So once you see the Master View category, go ahead and left click on Slide Master. And once you click on Slide Master, you'll notice that in the tab view, we have a bunch of different slides for this particular presentation. And that's essentially just the different layouts that are available to you when you open the default template in PowerPoint. And what I mean by that is when you open a blank new document, by default, it's going to set a standard template with standard layouts that will be available to you. In this case, you can see this is the title slide layout, and that's the one that we were on by default when we first opened a blank new document. But these other ones are also examples of different layouts that are available to you based on the default blank template when you open up PowerPoint 2010. In this one, it says it's a section header. This one is a to content layout, and again, this is the title, content, and layout used by to, and this is the title slide. So I want to go ahead and left click on the title slide again because this is the one that we want to modify. Go to Master Layout category and click on Insert Placeholder, select Text, and then we're going to draw our text placeholder box. By default, it gives us some general text, but we're going to go ahead and click in there and hit Control A and backspace to remove that information and enter in our own prompt text for this placeholder text box. In this case, I'm writing "Enter a slogan for your company here." And I'm going to click before the word enter and delete this bullet point. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is go to the tab that says Home in our navigation menu, and then under the paragraph category, we're going to center align this prompt text so that it matches up with the other prompt text on this page. So once you do that, let's go back to the Slide Master tab. And once back on that page, we're going to go ahead and close out this view and go back to our standard view for this presentation. So you'll notice that the changes didn't show up when you look at our slide pane. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to New Slide and select the title slide, and this is going to show the new changes that we made. So go ahead and delete the first title slide that was shown by default, and that way you won't have that there anymore. Okay? So once you do that, you'll notice that if we go ahead and go to New Slide again and select Title Slide, it'll show the new prompt text and placeholder text box. So basically what you want to do is delete the first one that shows up, and then from that point forward, any title slides that you enter will show the new changes that we created. So I hope this video was helpful in helping you understand how to enter custom placeholder text as well as custom prompt text for your PowerPoint presentation. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to embed, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos from Cozy How To, your place for a snuggly warm learning experience.